Finally, assalamualaikum. Today is my model lecture. My model lecture topic is part of the sphere. First of all, we should know what is a sphere. A sphere is the circular distance around the center. What is the center of the sphere? The center of the sphere is a point that is equidistant from all around the sphere distance. In engineering fields, which tool we use, which is in spherical shape? Which things and sports field, which is in spherical shape? In astronomy fields, which thing is in spherical shape?
Stars are also in spherical shape.
Now come to a definition of radius. What is a radius? The radius of a sphere is the distance from the center to any point of the circumference of a sphere. Now next we will discuss diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter is